Getting ready for the intelligent content of the day. I'm an idiot. There it is. That's all there is to it. So I had the wiring messed up on the switch, and I actually figured it out last night. But we've got it here. It's kind of slow, but it works. And we can go up with it. Basically, the way I had it wired up, it was just always trying to roll the window down. So, of course it wasn't going to do anything, but I fixed it. I'm going to finish cleaning that piston. So here's that. We got the second piston clean. To get it really clean, I have to knock the wrist pin out and get done in there, but I don't think that's going to really hurt anything. So we're good enough for now. We'll start on the next one potentially tomorrow, or maybe we'll finish the wiring on that window switch for the other side tomorrow. But also tomorrow's the weekend, so there may not be an update tomorrow. It might be Monday. See you on Monday.